Hello, everybody. My name is Silvio Santa Cruz Bisuete, bachelor degree in languages, Spanish and English, with specializations in pedagogy and informatics and telematics. A first certificate in English with Cambridge University, an English training program at Middlesex Community College in Boston. In my free time, I like listening music and playing soccer with my friends. I like watching TV, especially Discovery Channel. My favorite food is chicken and French potatoes. I live in Pasto. I have been working at UNAT University since 2000 as an English teacher. It's a pleasure for me to work with you in this English course level 1. Welcome everybody to this activity, speaking assignment through Skype. Thank you very much.